of AP. Write down first properties. Is it visible on board?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Write down first property. If each term of an AP, if each term of an AP is added by fixed number, then resultant sequence is also an AP. If you add a fixed number to every term of AP, then the resultant sequence is also in AP. For example, suppose 2, 4, 6, 8 are in AP. And if you add 2 to each term, like 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, then this is also in AP. Is that okay?
Yes.
The very first property is if you add fixed number to each term of arithmetic progression, then the resultant sequence also is in AP. Is that okay?
हाँ sir.
Okay. Properties number 2. Properties number 2. Can I rub the board?
Yes sir.
Write down. If each term of given AP
Subtracted.
Properties number 2, if each term of given AP is multiplied or divided by fixed number, multiplied or divided by fixed number not equal to 0, multiplied or divided by given number, given fixed number,
Sir, fixed number na.
fixed FIXED,
हाँ
fixed
सर
number.
ठीक है वही नहीं आप गिवन नंबर बोले थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन हो गया था ठीक है.
Then the resulting progression is also in AP. Then the resultant progression is also in AP. Like for example, tell any AP like 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 is in AP. And if you multiply by 3 to every term, multiply
9, 15,
by
21,
27,
27,
or
33.
So 9, 15, 21, 27, 33. So how much? 9, 6. Again 6. Difference is 6. So this is
in AP.
Is also in AP. Is that okay?
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
Okay.
Divide में 0 लिखा.
Now, if you divide by 2 to every term, what happened?
Sir, 1.5, 2.5.
If we
1.5, 2.5, 3.5, 4.5,
4.5,
or
5.5.
5.5.
2, then our sequence is 3 by 2, 5 by 2, 7 by 2, 9 by 2, 11 by 2. और consequently
नीचे
you
का
can
नहीं
observe that this is
सर
1.5,
नीचे का नहीं दिख रहा है
2.5.
सर नीचे का नहीं दिख रहा है।
सर बोर्ड थोड़ा दूर कीजिए मतलब ये phone
पोडियम
पे
थोड़ा
उठा
दूर करिए।
हाँ हाँ पोडियम था हाँ अब ठीक है
और सर थोड़ा सा
और
बस
थोड़ा सा और
हाँ सर अब
अब
ठीक है।
ठीक है हाँ सर ठीक
One minute.
हाँ
So after dividing, it will become 1.5, 2.5, 3.5, 4.5. So you can easily observe that this sequence is also in AP.
AP. Yes sir.
Okay.
Yes sir.
Now, third property. Properties number third. If to each term of arithmetic progression,
एक्सक्यूज मी सर
हाँ
सर आप मीटिंग लॉक कर दिए हैं क्या
लॉक कर दिए हैं।
सूरज बोल रहा है कि सर अभी थे अभी निकल गए थे तो फिर ज्वाइन नहीं कर पा रहे
यस सर दिखा तो
अब
रहे
बोलो
थे
तो
लेकिन
करने के लिए
सर अब हो गया अनलॉक हो गया।
अनलॉक हो गया सर अभी हो गया हाँ
Okay.
ज्वाइन कर लिया सर कर लिया
Okay. Third
Sir, if
property
two
is
is term of
if
arithmetic progression.
a fixed non-zero number is subtracted, a fixed non-zero number is subtracted, then the resultant sequence is also in AP. Then resultant sequence is also in AP. Like you can take any example, for example, 8, 4, 0, -4, -8 is in AP. Is that okay? This is in AP?
हाँ सर
Yes sir.
And if we subtract 2 from each term, then what happened? 6,
टू
6, 2, then
-2
-2,
-6
-6,
and
minus
-10.
10.
Now what happened? This is also, I think, -4, -4, -4. So common difference also here -4. This is also in
AP
AP. Okay, so what we have observed, to any term of arithmetic progression, if you add, subtract, multiply or divide, then by the fixed number, non-zero fixed number, then the resultant arithmetic progression is also in
AP
arithmetic progression. Clear? These 4 properties, is there any problem to anyone?
नो
सर
सर
3 ही प्रॉपर्टी निकला लिखवाए
4
ना।
लग गए अरे
4
डिवाइड
का
वाला नहीं
3।
लिखे हैं
अच्छा
अरे डिवाइड वाला तो लिख ही दिया
Okay, okay, no problem. But the question based upon the properties of SAP is entirely different from the what we are learned in terms of dividing, multiplying, adding or subtracting. So here we have to learn how to make the question of properties of AP. So I'm going to take one example. So write down question based on properties of AP. Questions based on properties of AP. First question. If A, B, C are in AP, so that B plus C, C plus A, A plus B are in AP. This is the very first question. If ABC are in AP, then show that B plus C, C plus A plus B are in AP. Can I proceed for the solution?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you think about the solution of this question, it has two solutions. One is universal solution that is applicable to every question. And one is, I think, sometimes it is applicable, sometimes it is not applicable because you are not able to extract the information from the given question. So I am going to discuss the first method and then second method. Now, first method, what is given in the question? Anyone, what is given in the question?
ABC जो है वो AP में है.
A, B, C are in AP. What is the information from this statement? Second term minus first term is equal to third term minus second term. Is that correct?
हाँ sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, from here we can extract the information that B plus B is equal to A plus C, or 2B is equal to how much? A plus C. So if ABC are in AP, its indirect result is 2B is equal
2B
to A
plus
plus
is
C.
equals to A plus B. A plus C.
Now, listen carefully. We have to prove this sequence is also in AP. B plus C, C plus A plus B. Now, let me suppose that it is in AP. मान लेते हैं कि it is in AP. And if you prove the same result, so is it also happen that this sequence is in AP?
हाँ.
Yes or no?
हाँ. हाँ.
What I am trying to say, listen carefully, what I am trying to say, the same result 2B is equal to A plus C, I am going to prove by this sequence also. If it is happened, it means that this sequence is also in
AP.
Is that okay?
हाँ.
So what is the first method? Whatever the given, if any sequence is given, extract the information, hidden information. For this sequence, hidden information is 2B is equal to A plus C. Now, if we prove this result by letting this sequence, then again this sequence also in
AP.
So please copy from up to here. Everyone, then I proceed further. Can I rub the board?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Our next sentence is let B plus C, C plus A plus B will be in AP. So if it is AP, then second term minus first term is equal to third term minus second term. Or C plus A minus B plus C is equal to A plus B minus C plus A. What we are observing that C cancel out, A and A cancel out. So we are getting A minus B is equal to B minus C. And we are getting A plus C is equal to 2B. The same result is proved here also. A plus C is equal to 2B. It means this sequence is also in AP. It means this sequence is also in AP. And this is universal method. It is applicable to every question based upon the arithmetic progression properties of AP.
हम्म
Is that okay to everyone? I need reply for everyone. At least you say yes or no
Yes, sir.
or whatever. So can I discuss second method?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
सर तो ये तो कॉमन वाला हो गया. सेकंड मेथड जो होगा वो प्रॉपर्टीज पे बेस्ड होगा ना.
हाँ, properties पे based होगा. Yes.
अच्छा सर, ठीक है.
And it depends upon the nature of the question that is asked. Sometimes it is applicable, sometimes it is hard to apply the properties of AP in the question.
तो सर इसमें तो फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी लगेगा शायद.
हाँ.
ठीक है सर.
What we are doing, since what is given? A, B, C,
A, B,
R,
and
E,
C.
F. I am going to subtract what I am writing. Subtract A plus B plus C to each term. What I am doing? Subtracting A plus B plus C to each term. So what we are right here? A minus A plus B plus C. B minus A plus B plus C. C minus A plus B plus C in AP. After that, A cancel out. So this is minus B plus C, minus C plus A, and this is minus A plus B in AP. Now, what is our next step? We're just going to multiply by -1 in each term. Multiply by -1 in each term. Then what we are getting? Exactly that what is asked in the question. B plus C, C plus A plus B is in AP. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
So this is the second method, and that was the first method. Is there any problem to anyone? Mehul, Nabya, Himanshu, anyone, any having problem? Suraj, others, Aditi,
No, sir.
Rangan.
नो सर.
No, sir.
Okay, so can I give another question?
Yes, sir.
sir.
Okay. Question is, if A, B, C are in AP, then so that A square B plus C, B square C plus A, C square A plus B is in AP. If it is in AP, then prove that this sequence is also in AP. Please try for a minute. Everyone, this is the question. If ABC are in AP, then so that A square B plus C, B square C plus A, C square A plus B is in AP. Please try. Is it possible to solve?
1 minute सर.
सर a प्लस बी प्लस सी से इंटू कर देंगे.
A plus B plus C से इंटू कर देंगे. Then after that, I think that step not work properly. If you multiply it by A plus B plus C, then the things are like happen in this way. So we are getting A square plus AB plus AC. Then AB plus B square plus BC. After that, how can we proceed? Others.
सर a
Not possible to proceed in this manner.
सर हम लोग अज्यूम कर लेते कि पहले से एपी में है.
हाँ, तो that is inversal method. See.
तो सर उससे तो बन गया.
Okay. So if ABC are in AP, it means 2B is equal to A plus C. No doubt?
नो सर.
नो डाउट सर.
Now let A square B plus C, B square C plus A, C square A plus B will be in AP. Will be in AP. So what happens? Second term minus first term. Is equal to third term minus second term. Up to this step, okay? Now just multiply B square C plus B square A minus A square B, A square C. C square A plus C square B minus B square C minus B square A. Is that okay? Hello?
यस सर.
Now, after this step, I am going to group factorization, applying the concept of group factorization. How C, B square C and A square C contains the common C. And here we can take common as AB.
AB.
In this right hand side also, we can take A common in these two terms. And here we take BC as
CV.
a common. Okay, so I'm going to write here. I think this is C. So B square minus A square in these two terms. And after that, take AB common. So B minus A. Again, take A is common. So it is C square minus B square. And then take CB as a common, so we are getting C minus B. Now, Can we write
B
this
minus A
as
common
B
हो
minus
जाएगा।
A, B plus A? This is AB into B minus A into C minus B, C plus B, and CB into C minus B. Now see, in LHS, B minus A is common. So take B minus as a common, so we are getting CB, CA plus AB. Now again take C minus B as a common, so we are getting AC or AB. AC plus AB plus CB. So what we are observing in both sides, AB plus BC plus CA is common? Yes or no? In both
Yes, sir.
sides, AB plus BC plus CA is common. So this term cancel out. So what we have left? We have left with B minus A is equal to C minus B, or 2B is equal to A plus B. Same result as previous arithmetic progression. So we need exact calculation based upon the group factorization, then you are able to solve this question. Okay. I need reaction from your side. Is it comprehensible or not? Have you understood? How can you move if the question is given?
Yes, sir.
Is that okay? Anyone having any problem? Can I give another question? Hello? Can I give another question? What happened? Can I rub the board? Not a single reply. Good, very good. Am I not audible? Hello? Others? I am not audible.
Audible, sir.
Prove that this question. If ABC are in AP, then prove that 1 by root B plus root C, comma 1 by root C plus root A, comma 1 by root A plus root B is in AP or are in AP. Can we solve this question? Same method is going to apply here. First method, second term minus first term is equal to third term minus second term. And then perform cross multiplication, arrange the things, then you are getting 2B is equal to A plus C here also. Only 7 students are there. Aditi, Himanshu, Vidya, Adarsh, Suraj Pratap, Mehul, and myself. What about Ridhima? She is speaking. Adarsh is also not. Adarsh is there. Anyone have solved this question?
Yes, sir, bas last step.
सर यूनिवर्सल मेथड से कर रहे हैं.
हाँ, that is only applicable here. Finished?
Yes, sir, done.
Okay, what about others?
हाँ सर हो गया.
Okay. That's all for the today's class. If you wish, you can go through the exercise 11E from R.S. Agrawal. And before that, yeah, it is advised to go through the solve example that is given in the book. Solve example of exercise 11E. And then we are going to meet in next class. Thank you.
सर एक
Thank
चीज
you so
बोलिए
much.
सर
हाँ,
सर जो ये एक्टिविटी है सर प्रैक्टिकल वाला
yes.
उसका सर क्या मतलब कैसे करना है?
All the 5 activities that you have to record in the math practical copy. And then after that, you can submit to me for checking.
अच्छा सर तो अपने से करना है पूरा?
Then one by one I can discuss in the class. I think the material is already given to you.
ठीक है सर.
One by one I can discuss. You just go through all the activities. If you any problem, then you can contact.
Okay sir.